new cycle from Decathlon, and it's a ST100 cycle. I really love it, and we purchased all the accessories like the bell and the stand, all of that. I'm so happy with the cycle. The Btwin Rockrider ST100 cycle. This is red in color. I waited for 6 months to get this. In the lockdown period, there was too much sale for cycle, and it is a 21 gear cycle, 3 in the left and 7 in the right. So yeah, let's go. This is a mountain bike, and it has a broad tire, so you can ride it easily in tough terrains. And it has 26-inch tires, and we got a few accessories like the bell, the bottle holder, the lock, but we couldn't get the mud guards. So yeah. So now let's go for a ride. I'm riding the cycle on a steep hill in front of our house, and the gear is on 1, 1. You can change it accordingly to 1, 2 or 1, 3. And if it's a rough road like the one I'm riding my cycle on, you can change the gear to 2, 3, 2, 4 or 2, 5. And if the road is really smooth, you can change the gear to 3, 5, 3, 6 or 3, 7. Riding my cycle through a tough terrain with lots of rocks. Compared to other cycles, my ST100 is going way smoother. great to have a mountain cycle as we can go very easily in all types of terrains, the road, the mountain, and the gear shifting is a little tricky, but you can learn it fast. And with the use of these gears I can climb the hills very fastly. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirpy Girl. Bye.